We all have dreams such as buying a home one day or traveling more. What if I told you these dreams can become your reality? All you have to do is just visualize and believe it can happen, and it will.
Oh my, what a wonderful time.
Hey everyone! In today's video, we are going to be doing something fun, manifesting by creating a vision board. And if you're someone who's not creative at all, don't worry because I'll make it super easy for you. Everyone has big dreams that seem far-fetched or unrealistic for regular people like ourselves. We tell ourselves this story that only wealthy and successful people like Selena Gomez, the Kardashians, Bill Gates can have these dreams come true of wealth, freedom, fancy houses, fancy cars, traveling to Bora Bora, Ibiza, and so forth.
Stop. One side, now the other side.
Hey guys.
Other side, other side.
Hey Chris.
Hey.
It's stopping you from living the life that you deserve. You're stopping yourself, no one else. But today, this changes because you will be taking the first step with me by your side, creating a vision board. For those who are curious about the magic of this so-called vision board, keep on watching. You will not be disappointed. So Catherine, what even is a vision board? Great question, me. A vision board is meant to bring you inspiration, and it's a visual reminder of the goals that you want to achieve and the feelings that you want to bring into your life. Cool. Maybe this will help you understand it a little bit more. The science behind vision boards, stated by medical director Tara Swart, found that our brain has a process called value tagging, which imprints important things into our subconscious while filtering out unnecessary information. The brain assigns higher value to images rather than written words, and the more you look at those images, the faster they move up in importance, resulting in your brain starting to show you opportunities you didn't see before. Visualization is huge for our brain as well, because to the brain, there's a little difference between a strongly imagined vision and the actual experience of the thing happening. Studies have shown visualizing positive outcomes increases success rates. Good thing you guys are back, because I was just getting my inspiration on. Today, I'm going to be making both a digital vision board and a physical vision board. Step one of making our vision board is to visualize what you want your future to look like. Make sure to cover all areas in your life. I recommend using the Wheel of Life. It covers all areas of your life, from financial, relationships, fun, career, and so forth. You can also ask yourself some life vision questions. I found this questionnaire online for you guys, so feel free to pause this video, screenshot it, and use it. Now, if you have zero idea on a certain area of your life that you do not know where you see yourself in the future, you can start by doing this exercise. By writing down how you want to feel and how you don't want to feel in this area. So for example, if you are stuck on career, what you want to do, you can start very broad. Do you want to work full-time, part-time, self-employed? Want to work from home? How much money do you want to be making? Do you want to be working with technology? Do you want to be working with people? You can start brainstorming as you go. And while you're doing this exercise, start thinking, how can I get there? What do I need to do to get to that feeling? For example, for me, last year, I was not putting my health first. I was not exercising. I was not eating right. I was sleeping in till 11, till 12. I felt very lazy. I felt very unmotivated, did not feel productive. And those were all things that I did not want to feel. So I turned it into what I did want to feel, right? Which is the opposite of that. What needed to be applied in my life was I needed to start working out. I needed to start eating healthier, have a morning routine, drink more water, feel more energy. And these outcomes of what I wanted, then I was able to put that into my vision for. You have to get very specific on your goals, where you want to go, how you're gonna get there, so that every time that you see your vision board, then you can remember what you have to be doing to get to where you want to be. My vision board that I created last year. So as you see, I have my leafy greens down here. I have me reading more. I have a picture of someone at the gym. I also included me wanting to wake up earlier, traveling more. I even put some quotes. So visualize your highest self, you're here for a purpose. Of course, billionaire. A lot of these things actually came true, right? I didn't start waking up at 5:30. Did start waking up 2 hours before the time I usually did. So around 7:30 I wake up now, and I did start going to the gym. I started eating more leafy greens. I started my YouTube channel, started reading more. So I am gonna be updating this with you guys today. I know we're about to be halfway through the year, but you don't have to wait to make a vision board for the new year. It can be whatever time that you want in your life, because as long as you start, that's what matters. Okay, so once you have the visual of what you want your life to look like, step 2 is gonna be getting your images. The application that I use is Pinterest because it's awesome, but you can also use pictures from Google or from magazines. It is a very simple platform that has just about everything on it. In the search bar, all you have to do is type what you're looking for. So for example, you're looking for a 2-story lakefront house. It gives you all these pictures from across the world. I like to create pin boards because it's easier to then print them for my vision board, and all you have to do is once you find a picture that you like, you just have to pin it to your board. For example, you can have a board for life and home, one for work, one for wellness, one for finances, etc. Last step, and the most important and fun step, is going to be creating your vision board. For my physical board, I'm gonna be using Pinterest and my handy dandy printer. And for my digital vision board, I'm gonna be using Canva. Let's get to it. And here's my vision board. The top line is my future with my partner, and I want to go on more adventures, so I have a picture of us skydiving. I have a picture of us going on a cruise and our future dog and spending more time outdoors. I also have a picture of our future home. I want to have a lake in the back, nice open backyard, and I also have quotes. I'm creating the life of my dreams. I'm ready for adventure. Everything you need to accomplish is already inside of you. Of course, I'll reach my financial goals. And I also want to start gardening more, do more planting, and keep eating more veggies, more fruits. And I also have words that stand out to me: strong, confident, billionaire, highest self, successful. And for my career, I obviously want to grow my platform on YouTube to 10,000 subscribers. I want to also network more, meet more entrepreneurs, and also one day hopefully give my own conference. I want to get a standing desk and working from home, my own business. Now we're gonna move on to creating the digital vision board. So I just copied and pasted these pictures straight from my Pinterest boards, and I started with the background and overlapping them, bringing some pictures to the back, bringing some of them to the front, making sure that there was no white in my background, filling the whole background with pictures, and just making sure to have the ones that I wanted to stand out, to be more visible than the others. Once my background was filled, I moved to my words and started overlapping them on top of my images. And this is the end result. For my phone, I used similar images and just resized it for it to fit my screen. And this is my phone vision board. Super happy to have had you all with me on this fun activity of visualizing and manifesting the life we want. I challenge you to create your own vision board, even if it's just 5 pictures just thrown on a sheet of paper or taped to your wall. Just do it. It doesn't have to look pretty and perfect. You just need to have visuals on your goals, on the life that you want, so that you can be remembered by it every time you look at it. Give it a week and see how you feel. Start developing yourself to become better every day and update your visuals as you grow. If you got this far, I love you for being a real one. Please like and subscribe if you like videos like this. Let me know in the comment section what images you put on your vision board. Have a rockin' day and stay blessed.